Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to become a LinkedIn top voice. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is simply open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for linkedin.com. Now, collaborative articles are a great way to earn your top voice badge. LinkedIn has created special pages generated by AI that are being enhanced by experts just like you. By consistently adding value, you may earn a community top voice badge, for example, top engineering voice. This is given out as recognition for those who have had added high insight and a high value on the collaborative articles for that particular skill. So here's how you get your badge. Step 1. Select the skill you want to earn your badge in. You just need to select the skill or area in which you would like to become a top voice. So you need to select the most relevant skill for your niche. Let's go for example teamwork, and you're going to start off, make sure this matches your niche and your expertise, and then follow. Step 2. Get collaborating. Select a collaborative article that is relevant to your skill set and then start adding your perspective, which can be done here. On the right hand side, you can see each article is broken down into slightly different headings. So you can add one perspective on the article, or you can add several different options throughout the article and whatever works best for you, depending on how much you want to say on that specific topic. Step 3. Be unique. LinkedIn wants to know your perspective. When you add your perspective, try and refer back to your past experience and really make sure that your comments and your perspective is unique and stands out of space. Mine out a little bit, so it's really visually appealing. Step 4. Acknowledge others. Be sure to like and react to what other contributors are also saying. So I'm just going to go through the articles, and the ones that I find insightful, I'm going to press insightful. You can also rate them as funny or laugh or celebrate, but I think the insightful one is really useful here because it really shows that you have found someone's perspective insightful, and that's what we want to receive in return as well. Step 5. Be consistent and keep it up. This isn't going to happen overnight, so make sure you continue to add your perspectives to the collaborative articles and continue to be interacting with what other people have put as well. I don't know how long on average this takes, but it can take about 1 month to achieve top voice badge, so try and do 2 to 3 posts per day on the collaborative articles and at least 2 to 3 reactions. Currently, there is no limit to the number of top voice skills you can earn, and if you do have multiple skills, these will be combined into one top voice badge. Your badge will last for 60 days, but to keep your badge past 60 days, you must remain relevant, original, and other LinkedIn members must continue to find your perspectives insightful. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.